How to collaborate on Instagram after posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can collaborate on Instagram after already posting it, so make sure to watch the video till the end. The issue here is quite very simple. When you open up Instagram and then you just try to invite someone as a collaborator, you forgot to do so and you already posted that particular photo or that reel. You've gotten a handful amount of likes and comments, which is why you don't want to delete it. Now you're wondering if you can invite a collaborator after you post them. Well, unfortunately the answer is no. You can't invite someone as a collaborator after you've already posted that thing. The only thing that you can do is you can choose to delete it. The maximum thing that you can do is you can tap the three dots option and go to edit button over here. Then you can choose to tag people, but unlike before making a post where you could see the invite collaborator option, now you can't do that. You have to do so before you actually post it. So hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.